Hello, Travis here from REGENESIS Permaculture Costa Rica, coming to you live from the shade of this beautiful jackfruit tree. Today I'm excited to offer to you a free resource, a guide we've created about tropical vegetables. They're perennials that live for several years, easy, you plant them once, you harvest them forever. They're highly nutritious, delicious. The guide comes with propagation information, nutritional information, some ideas of how to use it in the kitchen. So I hope you enjoy it. Please share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date of our unfoldings and our services and other free content that we're creating. Links are in the description below.